To add a custom word or phrase so it can be transcribed with live transcribe in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcribe and then tap open live transcribe. Next, tap the setting icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and then select more setting. Scroll down the screen. Under audio and language section, tap custom word. Tap add word and then type a word or phrase that is not in the dictionary but may be often be used in your conversation so they can be transcribed. And then tap down key at the keyboard to add the word or phrase to the list. Note the word or phrase that you have been added will be transcribed while you are using live transcribe. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.